me till I scream for every and wash me over until my
Hi Blessed Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hey, welcome to the channel. If you want to become a part of the Blessed Beauties family, then definitely subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and share with everyone you know. Alright, so guys, okay Blessed Beauties, so in today's video I will be doing a updated brow routine, because if you're not new here and been a regular subscriber and viewer of my videos, you would have known that I've been using a new brow product, and it's a brow gel. And so you know that means that my brow routine is not really the same anymore right now. So I wanted to come on here and do a little video in itself for you guys, because you know it just makes sense, you know. Plus I know the brows personally is pretty challenging to get right at times, and while I was thinking of what I wanted this video to be last night for this morning, I wanted to tell you guys one or two tips or advice about your brows. One is they are not identical, they are not twins, honey, sis, Blessed Beauties, they're not identical, so they're not twins. You know, twins are identical, most of them, so basically they're not twins, you know. And also that even down to your body parts, like everything that's like to like your ears, your fingers, your hands, your eyes, brows, all those things, one is always bigger than the other one, in case you never know. Like don't argue with me, do a like body check for yourself. But I'm not here to talk about that, right? I'm not here to talk about that with my little cute face. I'm not here to do that. But as I said, I just wanted to come on here and kind of like do a separate video in itself about my brows, doing my brows for you guys, because I know the brows be a struggle, and it takes me a good minute, a good length of minute to really do my brows. Hopefully today is a good brow day. The last couple times I did my brows, they did pretty well, so I pray that today is no different, but it's better. So that's all I have to say for right now for this intro, because I don't want to make the video too long. So right now I'm just gonna jump into sharing with you guys the product, or showing you again the product that I'm using for this particular video, and also what you will need to achieve the look for your brows that you know you want or whatever. So the first product is the Santee eyebrow gel. It's long wearing, so this is it right here, right? I showed you guys this on my channel already. This is a shade. Let me open it, and this is how inside of it looks. You know, I only use it probably I don't even remember, but I don't think it passed 6 times, I should say. I don't think it passed 6 times already. I don't know exactly, but this is the packaging. This is what it came in. They have 3 shades, as you can see right here. They have brown, dark brown, and black brown. This is the brown, so this is basically the lightest shade in the 3 that they have. See right here? Yeah. So I want to get the dark brown and the black brown eventually. So yeah, this is how it looks. Ooh, not the brush rolling off. Mad disrespectful. Anyway, this is a Santee eyebrow gel long wearing. And guys, I've been using this product for quite a time now, and I can honestly say that it's really good. Like, it's really good, like no cap, like it's really good. And I don't know, because I heard because I wasn't used to a product like this, I thought that it would have been runny or wetty, or you know, but it turned out not to be like that, so that's really good. Like, it dries down in a couple of seconds, a minute or so, or a couple of minutes. But yeah, and then this is a brush that I got with it. So this is a brush that I use along with this to do my brows. So I'm going to be showing you guys that in a couple minutes time. And then to carve out my brows if you're not new here, I use my SUBCRIBE Keep 3D contour palette. I use the lightest shade, which is this one right here. It's really finishing. It has hit the pan already, sis. So this is what I use. It's so messy because I use it for so many different things. And I also use my spoolie. I have another spoolie, right, which you guys have seen so much on my channel, but recently I've been using this product that I bought before, but it finished. It's the Perfect Brow Eyebrow Pencil in dark brown, but I don't use the pencil part because it actually fell out. I actually use the spoolie part, which is this part right here. Don't mind my hands. I was recently doing some work over the weekend, and so paint is still on my fingers and so on. So if you see that, don't say nothing. Anyway, is there anything else that I'm forgetting? I mean, I go in with my shaver if I need to, my brow razor if I need to, you know, clean up my brows. So this is how it looks. And then as it relates to the actual brushes that I use, I use this concealer brush to carve out my brows. This is how it looks. It's pretty dirty right now because, you know, I've been using it. And to clean up the concealer from around my brows, I go in between the two of these brushes. This is a foundation brush, and then this is a kind of like tapered brush. Yeah, so that's pretty much it right now. So as I said, I'm just gonna jump right in now and start doing my brows. So now that you guys know the products I'm using, I'm just gonna speed through this whole other part and then come back at the end. And you know, if during the doing of my brows I feel like I want to say something, I'll just say it. But you guys can just continue to watch what I'm doing. Nothing new. I might zoom up, I might not. I don't know. Now as it relates to my preference, this is really important. As it relates to my preference for my brows, I like a more sculpted brow, but I also like it to be faded naturally at the front with my brow hairs first, and then at the arch and at the end of it I like it more dark, you know. So that's kind of my style for my brows. So just putting that out there. So yeah, I think we just need to start now. So let's do this. Continue watching.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow, sensitive, feel the afterglow, looking for things that I can't control, fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try, can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it.
Okay, my blessed beauties. So what guys can see, I zoomed up so that you guys can get a little up close and personal with how I'm doing my brows. So this is how the brows are looking. So now it's time to carve out my brows. So as I said before in the intro, I'm using the SUBCRIBE Keep 3D Contour Cream Palette. And I just remember that I told you guys the wrong shade because through my heat pan in it already, it a finished. So I actually use this shade and this shade. So I go back and forth with these two shades, which is like the two lightest shades in the palette, with my concealer brush. And there was something else I was supposed to tell you guys. I'm not remembering right now. I guess I'll say it in a voiceover if I remember it. But yeah, that's what I should have told you guys. That I go, oh, I just remember. For the top of my brows, I go in with my LA Girl Pro Foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. It is sometimes recommended that you go over the top of your brows if you don't want that halo effect brows. If you don't want that halo look brows, you go in with your foundation. That way it blends in more and look more natural. And sometimes I even go in with shades from this palette, like this darker one at the end. Is it this one? Yeah, this one. So sometimes I go in with these three shades for my brows. So sometimes this one is left for the top and these two are for underneath. So I'm just gonna, you know, start carving up my brows now since I let you guys know all of that. So I'm gonna zoom it all up back for this part as well.
I'm still falling, but it tastes bittersweet. I keep on falling, I like the taste of it. I'm blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall.
Okay, my blessed beauties, so I must apologize for this section of this video being cut off. Apparently I did not realize that my frame wasn't intact when I was recording, in terms of like my top of my brows. You guys wasn't really seeing much of it, but I've done this a lot of times in my videos, so it's nothing really new. I'm not using any new product, no new technique as it relates to that part of carving up my brows. So I must apologize, but keep on watching.
But it tastes bittersweet. I keep on falling. I like the taste of it. I'm still falling. But it tastes bittersweet. I keep on falling. I like the taste of it.
Okay, my blessed beauties, so this is how my brows are looking. I would say they look pretty good, if I do say so myself. Like, it don't look totally off or anything. Them alright. Alright, I just think I want the ends them come out a little bit more, because that's kind of my style, you know. So just using my pencil here.
I'm still falling.
Yeah, so this is how the brows are looking. It looks really, really good. I don't feel like the camera leaning. A little bit more. Alright, so yeah, this is how the brows are looking. They look really, really good. Let me zoom you guys up. So this is the brows of the day. They don't look too bad. They don't look too bad. But it look like it didn't want to shave up though. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So now I'm just gonna go in and set my eyelids after I have based it with my M.A.C Fix and this one as well. But this product right here, guys, is really, really good. The Santee eyebrow gel in the shade brown. It's really, really good. Really, really good. So this is it up close and personal. Don't mind my hands, my fingers. But yeah, I definitely would give this product a 7.5 out of 10. I think it's a really good product. No complaints so far, honestly. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Santee eyebrow gel. Looking forward to owning the other shades. So yeah, this is basically wrapping up the video. I really pray you guys did enjoy it. So now I'm just gonna go in and base my eyelids, blend it out, and set it for my eyeshadow. Well, I'm basically prepping the eyes for my eyeshadow. So stay tuned for that video. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, share with everyone you know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Blessed Beauties. I know I should use that brush, you know. So yeah, this is my updated brow routine. I did my updated brow routine. So yeah guys, you saw your Blessed Beauties, this is my updated brow routine. Why am I feel like the camera lean and then it will come down into. Okay, Blessed Beauties, so this is my updated brow routine. I really pray you guys did enjoy it. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next upload, my next video. Bye Blessed Beauties. Mwah.